Alright guys, so today we're going to build a patio garden bed with some redwood fencing. I got 8 foot redwood fencing and a 10 foot 2 by 4s redwood. And this is going to be a patio raised bed. So it's not like a normal raised bed where it sits on the ground and you don't need a bottom. This you actually do need a bottom because, you know, nothing's holding up the dirt. So we're going to try to do this as inexpensive as we can. Unfortunately, wood is kind of expensive these days, but apart from the price of the wood and a few screws, that should be all the cost. All right, I'm going to measure 6 feet. And because it's 10, after I have 6, I'm going to have 4 foot left, and I'm going to cut that in half, and each of my legs will be 2 feet. All right, so I have the pieces of wood cut up, and they're just put out like this for now. I'm going to put drill screws into these. All right, the width of 2 planks is around 11 1/4. So I'm going to measure this to 11 1/4, and then I'm going to drill it in there. All right, so I got these 2 screws in on both sides, and now I'm going to measure out the planks and then mount them up. All right, so I'm going to trim down the planks right here, and whatever I have left, and that'll use for the side, and that'll determine how deep the bed is. All right, now you might be tempted to just screw the screws straight in, but you don't want the wood to split, so you want to prime the hole first. All right, so I got those screws in, but I'm going to also add screws throughout here for extra structure. All right, I got those in, so we're done with one side. Let's do the same thing to the other side. All right, got the second one. There's the first one. Let's put them together. All right, so there it is standing up, and we're going to use those pieces that we trimmed off of the sides to do this side. All right, so that's one end. I'll do the same to the other end. All right, other side is in. Let's take a look. There it is. It's looking good. So now, the way we made the wood support, we're able to put slats across, kind of like a bed. And we just need to cut an odd shape one for the 2 ends. So let's do that first. All right, we need to cut a little slab here. Let's mark both. All right, got that in. Gonna put some screws and then fill in the rest. All right, all done. So now I got the slats in the middle so that the dirt can be held up, but there's a little bit of gap in between so it could still drain. That's the way my patio planter is going to look.